In this video, I'll take you through my stay at the Kubic Hotel in Athens, where I spent a night before my cruise. Now, the hotel is located slightly outside the main tourist areas in the district of Omonia. It's not the most picturesque or desirable part of Athens, so that's something worth bearing in mind when choosing where to stay. But its location is the key consideration here. So let's start with the hotel amenities. Downstairs, there's a beautiful restaurant which also serves as a bar in the evenings. This is where breakfast is served, and the selection was absolutely fantastic. There were plenty of local Greek breakfast options available, such as fresh salads, cereals, yogurts and preserves, as well as delicious spanakopita, a variety of breads and fresh fruit. And if you're in the mood for a little indulgence before your cruise, there's even complimentary Bloody Marys available in the morning. One of my favourite parts of this hotel was the small but very lovely rooftop terrace. It's a wonderful spot to relax in the evening, perhaps with a drink while watching the sunset. There are also sun lounges available during the day and even a small shower for convenience. From the terrace, you can just about see a tiny glimpse of the Acropolis in the distance, and this space is great if you prefer to unwind at the hotel rather than heading out. Now, some rooms at the Kubic Hotel also include a balcony, although mine didn't. Now, the lift is rather small and quirky, so if you're travelling with multiple suitcases, expect to make a couple of trips. I stayed in room 203 on the second floor, which overlooked the road outside. My first impression was that it felt bright and airy and spacious with excellent air conditioning, ideal for the Athens heat. The view from my window looked out towards a nearby church, so do expect to hear the church bells in the morning. The decor was modern and playful with some quirky wallpaper, which added a bit of character. The bed could be arranged as either twins or a double and was set up as a double for my stay. There was a small seating area and TV, and a compact breakfast bar with chair, kettle and mini fridge, which included complimentary bottles of water, which was a thoughtful touch after such a long journey. You'll also find the sink is located within the main room, along with an open wardrobe and some bathrobes. However, there weren't many hangers provided, so that's something to note. I was just staying the night, so it really didn't matter that much to me. There were plenty of European plug sockets and USB ports, making it easy to charge all my devices. The room also featured a tablet control system, which operated the lighting and the rather stylish James Bond style blinds. There was a hairdryer, however, it was a travel style rather than anything powerful. When I stayed here, the hotel was known as the Brown Kubic Hotel, and room service was available with a good range of reasonably priced options. And there were also spa services available on site. Now, the bathroom is split into two separate areas, one for the shower and one for the toilet. The shower itself was excellent, spacious, modern, very powerful, and there were complimentary toiletries provided. Overall, this hotel was a comfortable, affordable place to rest before my cruise. Air conditioning worked beautifully and the room was clean and well designed, and it had everything I needed for a short stay. So it took around 40 minutes by taxi to reach Piraeus port the following day to embark on my cruise, and if you'd like to see what I got up to on that cruise, including more about my embarkation experience in Athens, then watch this video next.